like this 36-piece faux plant for outdoor use or indoor use. It's UV resistant, and this is it out of the box, basically. It is a blend of blue flowers, white flowers, and basic greenery, which is really nice. And it definitely gave me the immediate impression of a thoughtfully curated garden bundle. But why I like this, the color variety, I like the blue tones with the greenery, and the small white florals are going to create a layered, natural look. It is weather ready. It's going to hold up during downpours and or those sunny afternoons with the UV resistant material. So that means it won't fade. Low effort, hey, like zero maintenance is required here. And no watering, no deadheading, no bugs. Just pop these in and you are done. As I said, there are 36 pieces here. I use this on an extra large planter and it came out beautifully. 36 pieces was definitely enough. And once it is put together, it does have surprising realism. Yes, the stems are clear plastic, but the blossoms themselves have a soft and fabric-like finish, and it really does give them more of a lifelike appearance. Really hot. I really like these. You will not be disappointed. But would I buy them again? Absolutely. 36 pieces, a quick and affordable upgrade to any outdoor space that needs instant color without the gardening commitment. So you can put this on a shaded patio, a rental, or if you're like me and you just hate replacing wilted flowers, this bundle is going to deliver both volume, because we've got 36 pieces, and charm without looking really cheap and inexpensive. Highly recommend.